The ongoing legal dispute between NewJeans and their agency ADOR has escalated significantly following the second court hearing held at Seoul Central District Court on June 4, 2025. During this hearing, NewJeans, through their legal representatives, made it clear that they are not open to any form of settlement proposed by the court. Their lawyers emphasized that the relationship between the group and ADOR has deteriorated beyond repair, and the trust necessary to continue working together no longer exists. This firm stance effectively rules out any chance of reconciliation or a return to ADOR's management. On the other side, ADOR has maintained that they have consistently fulfilled their responsibilities as the group's management agency. They argue that they have provided all necessary support and continue to manage NewJeans' activities within the scope of their contract. ADOR has stated that they will await the court's final decision before considering any possibility of settlement, indicating their confidence in the legal process and their position. To understand the gravity of this situation, it's important to look back at how this conflict began. In November 2024, NewJeans announced that they considered their contract with ADOR to be terminated. They claimed that ADOR had breached several terms of their agreement, which justified their decision to nullify the contract. This move shocked many within the K-pop industry, as contract disputes of this magnitude are relatively rare and often complicated. In retaliation, ADOR initiated legal action to confirm the contract's legitimacy and to restrict NewJeans from participating in any activities without the agency's authorization. This legal battle has since become a high-profile case, drawing attention from fans, media, and industry insiders alike. One of the central points of contention during the recent hearing was NewJeans' allegation that ADOR failed to properly manage the group after the departure of their former CEO, Min Hee-jin. Min Hee-jin was widely credited with playing a crucial role in NewJeans' initial success, and her exit reportedly left a management vacuum. NewJeans' legal team argued that the agency's management deteriorated significantly after her departure, contributing to their decision to sever ties. ADOR, however, disputes these claims, insisting that they continued to provide adequate management and support for the group. They presented evidence during the hearing to demonstrate their ongoing involvement and commitment. Another controversial aspect of the case involves documents related to Min Hee-jin's separate legal dispute with Source Music, another entertainment company. NewJeans claimed that ADOR acquired certain documents improperly and presented them as evidence in this ongoing legal dispute. ADOR has denied any wrongdoing, stating that all evidence submitted to the court was obtained through legal means. This accusation added another layer of complexity and tension to the proceedings, highlighting the multifaceted nature of the dispute. Currently, the court has issued injunctions that prevent NewJeans from pursuing any independent activities outside of ADOR's management. These injunctions come with strict penalties, including fines, should the group violate the court's orders. NewJeans appealed against these restrictions, but their appeal was rejected, and further appeals are still in process. The next hearing is scheduled to take place on July 24, 2025, and it is expected to be a critical moment in determining the future course of this legal battle. The public and fan reactions to this ongoing dispute have been mixed. Many fans have expressed support for NewJeans, sympathizing with their desire for independence and better management conditions. They see the group's actions as a courageous stand against unfair treatment. On the other hand, certain fans and industry experts have expressed criticism toward NewJeans for trying to terminate their contract, highlighting the significance of upholding agreements and the possible harm this could cause to the group's public image and reputation. This division reflects the broader challenges faced by idols in the K-pop industry, where contracts are often strict and management agencies hold significant power. This situation highlights the challenges and intense demands faced in the K-pop industry. Idols often face intense schedules, high expectations, and limited control over their careers. Contract disputes like this one raise important questions about artist rights, agency responsibilities, and the need for fairer industry practices. The outcome of the NewJeans versus ADOR case could set important precedents for future disputes and potentially influence how contracts are structured and enforced. The legal battle between NewJeans and ADOR is far from resolved. With trust broken and both sides firmly entrenched in their positions, the court's upcoming decisions will be crucial. The next hearing in late July will likely provide more clarity on whether a settlement is possible or if the case will proceed to a full trial. For NewJeans, the stakes are incredibly high, as the outcome will directly affect their ability to continue their careers and maintain their artistic freedom. For ADOR, this legal battle centers on enforcing the terms of the contract and safeguarding their business interests tied to the group. We will continue to closely follow the situation and provide updates as new information emerges. If you have thoughts on this dispute or predictions about how it might unfold, please share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more comprehensive K-pop news and analysis.